mano. Comienza, ¿no? Mete cena.
Hey guys, it's the Beauty Bens here and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys the 3 to 4 month update on my acne.org journey. As you guys may know, if you watch my other videos, which I will link down below and maybe somewhere up here, although I'm following the acne.org regimen, I'm actually using some of the products that they recommended, and I'm also using some of the products from the actual line. So basically I use a cleanser. The cleanser I use, or what I'm using to clean my face, is the Shea Moisture Frankincense and Shea Butter Moisturizing Soap Bar. Then I follow up with the benzoyl peroxide. After that, I add a moisturizer and I mix that with jojoba oil just because my skin gets a little dry from using this regimen. If you guys want to see me actually use these products in a video, definitely watch my other videos. You'll actually see me apply the products and how I use them. I was actually using the benzoyl peroxide by Neutrogena. It's the on-the-spot acne treatment. And this was a product that was recommended on the acne.org website. But because these tubes are so small, I decided to go with the acne.org brand benzoyl peroxide, which is this size. So you can kind of see, the difference in the size here. This is $4, this was $20. So even four of these don't even make up one of these. Let's see. This has 0.75 ounces and this is 8. So 4 of these is like 3 ounces, and this is double that, almost triple that. So I thought it was more worth it to buy the acne.org just because it comes in a bigger pack, but I do think otherwise I would have stuck with the Neutrogena on the spot treatment. So since switching to the acne.org brand benzoyl peroxide, I noticed that my skin dries out a lot more. Like with the on the spot treatment, I noticed my skin drying out, so I added the jojoba oil. With this is more of a gel based product, so it's supposed to kind of absorb in your skin better, and this is more of a cream, but my skin responded better to the cream. Also, since switching, I have been getting a few breakouts. Can't really see them, but since switching between, I think switching the products caused me to break out, because although they're the same product, I think just the consistency and things like that, my skin just has to readjust. So I have been getting a few breakouts since switching, and I also just stopped using birth control, so I was thinking maybe the birth control was keeping my acne at bay as well, and now it's not. I don't know, because these changes are pretty recent. I probably started using this within the past week or two. So yeah, so I did swap these out. If I find that I'm still breaking out since I switched to this product, I'm gonna go back to using the small one because it was actually working. Besides the few times that I didn't wash my face when I should have, or went to sleep with makeup on and got a breakout. But if I was consistent with the regimen, I had no problems with the Neutrogena brand benzoyl peroxide. So yeah, I'm gonna switch if it doesn't work. So besides that, even though I am getting a few more breakouts, my hyperpigmentation isn't as bad. And I realized not too long ago, I might have mentioned this in the last video, the benzoyl peroxide has something in it that can bleach or lighten your clothes, or even the edges of my hair are becoming blonde, and I think it's from this product. Well, I know it's from the product. There's a towel I would use to kind of wipe my hands on, when I was done with my face, because I have so much product on it, and that towel started bleaching. So I mentioned that because I do think it's a good thing. I'm gonna insert some before and after pictures here, but my hyperpigmentation, I think the picture I have is from March, and I started the regimen in April. So yeah, so I have this before and after here. It's a little video clip from my Instagram story that I'm gonna insert here, where you can see a huge difference in my hyperpigmentation, specifically on my forehead, compared to 2 weeks ago. So I'm gonna insert those here. So in this video, you'll see that I have very intense dark spots on my forehead. In the little picture I recorded, And then when you look at me that day, like my skin was looking very bright and clear and soft and bouncy. Now given, you know, I did have the sun supporting my skin. I'll also insert some other pictures here, but basically you can see how bad my hyperpigmentation was, and you can see some breakouts as well, compared to some other video clips I'm going to put in and some pictures I'll put in where you can see my skin is a lot clearer. I think I hit that on the head. I hope I didn't delete anything. I'll cry. I had this video planned. Okay, there we go. My advice when using acne.org products is to pay attention to how your skin is responding to the products. So if you notice excessive burning, or like I know in the beginning, I was using another product, like the serum with the benzoyl peroxide, and it was like burning my skin. So I had some hyperpigmentation right here because my skin was just like becoming like, it was like basically a chemical burn that my skin was getting. So my tips for using the acne.org regimen is to make sure that if you miss one night, you can risk getting a breakout. And then if you don't, that's basically telling yourself, oh, I don't have to be consistent. So then you miss a couple nights, next thing you know, you have a breakout. And if your skin is anything like mine and you have hyperpigmentation, you get hyperpigmentation easily, pimples are no fun. Because if you get a pimple, it means you're gonna get a dark spot. Now, fortunately, I've noticed, like, using this combination of products, I think it's really the jojoba oil that helps, and even the glycolic acid. My hyperpigmentation does not stay as long, and my scars do heal faster. But you do want to make sure you're consistent. Another thing I want you guys to keep in mind is if any product is bothering you or irritating you, try to use a bit less of it. Like if it's a benzoyl peroxide, use it once a day instead of twice a day. Or if it's a glycolic acid, maybe you can use that a bit less, or mix it with lotion instead of applying it by itself. But you don't want to damage your skin with these products if your skin just isn't responding well to it. Because you will, you know, have regrets if you stop using the products and you have like chemical burns and just now your skin's dry and all this stuff just because you didn't listen to what your skin was telling you. Do I have, you know, I love this regimen because it's simple. I don't have much more advice as far as using it. Like my skin routine is literally 3 to 4 products, you know. I really love it. If you have dry skin, I definitely recommend using the jojoba oil. It works well. But I actually think that is all for this video. Wait, I forgot something. So as far as the regimen goes, I just do want to mention that chances are I haven't found a good moisturizer that goes well with the benzoyl peroxide without feeling a little bit of stinging or a little bit of burning. And you know, I just don't like it. I don't think it's good for your skin to sting or burn from a product or a combination of products. I'm actually considering purchasing the acne.org regimen moisturizer. So I plan on purchasing that because the products are made to go together, so I'm hoping that moisturizer doesn't sting me with the benzoyl peroxide. And I'm even considering when I'm done with my soap bar switching over to their face wash too. Because like I told you guys earlier in the video, I have been breaking out a tiny bit, and you know, it would be unfair of me to say, you know, oh, these acne.org products aren't working when I'm not using the entire regimen. So I might just switch all the way over. I'm not sure. It depends on how my skin reacts to these products. But okay, so I actually think I am done with this video, or better yet, I am done with this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be making another updated video. I'm probably not going to do it monthly. I'll probably come back in maybe October, you know, November with another acne.org video. But if there are any changes, I'll make a video sooner. Otherwise, you'll probably see a video from me in the next month and a half, 2 months. But I definitely enjoyed filming this video. If you are using these products, comment down below. Tell me how they're working for you. Let's chat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I am done filming now. Bye-bye.